What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. With today's video we officially start the long air season 2022 here in the Pacific Northwest. And although the soil temperature have not reached the 50 Fahrenheit yet, we have started to see some life back finally and some more sunny days after very long winter. I wanted to kick off this season with the soil test, and the kit of my choice is from Yard Mastery. Few reasons why I choose Yard Mastery. For start, I have utilized them already last year, and all my data are saved in their app. Second, it really takes no more than 15 minutes to collect the sample and ship the package back. Everything is included in the box, from the ship label to the history instructions. Yard Mastery suggests to collect the soil from 5 to 7 separate locations, and that's what I did. Having done the soil test last year and having worked the last season on adjusting my soil pH and potassium level, which both were low, I'm really curious to know where I am this year and what is my way forward. Have you done your soil test yet this year, and what was the company of your choice? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you to the next video. Thank you.